everybody, welcome to Data Visualization using Python matplotlib, the beginner's guide. Today we're customizing line graphs with a range of axes. If you haven't already, please watch the previous video to know how to plot a basic line graph. Let's get started with our first line of code. The first line of code is import matplotlib.pyplot as plt. Like I mentioned before, matplotlib is a plotting library in Python that we can use to graph the data. With plt.axis function, we can define the values in our x-axis that goes from 0 to 2 and on our y-axis which goes from 0 to 4. Then we plot the 4 data points, just like we did in the last video, and afterwards pass plt.show and run the code. However, unlike the previous graph we made, the line seems to fit only half of the figure. This is because we have scaled the graph where only 2 data points are visible, 1, 2 and 2, 4. The points 3, 6 and 4, 8 are out of the boundaries we have set when we use the plt.axis function. Remember that matplotlib is usually able to scale the graph appropriate to the values that you provide. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please make sure to check out my other videos as well in this series.